Good morning, everybody. Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe and Timber. Today we're going to show you what I use on cleaning an engine bay. This is my go-to product, Diamond Bright Non-Caustic Cleaner Degreaser. Non-acid, liquid alkaline, blend cleaner of solvents to remove dirt and grime, leaves the surface clean. I use this on my rims all the time. It's great for engine wells, rims, brakes, gets all the dust off. So it's concentrated, sorry for the camera. It's concentrated, so I have it in a pump sprayer here. As you can see, it's not very, I only put about 3 ounces to big sprayer because it works really well. So I've got my little Vortex sprayer here. And we'll see how dirty this engine well is. I've got my air compressor on. I'm gonna set this down, pardon the camera. So this is a 2012 Mercedes. It's got a little bit of leaf in there, but it's extremely dusty. It's been sitting for about almost 2 years now, a year and a half. So I'm gonna clean it up before I put it back into storage. Just put a new battery in it. I'm gonna whip this up on the head cam here and see what we can do here. All right, that should be a pretty good angle for everybody. I'm gonna put my mask on. Anybody ever seen one of these? Probably. This is super dusty. Let's get the main stuff out of there first. Stuff just falling apart on this car. That's what happens when, oh, it's just the so as you can see, you got your fuses here, so I want to avoid a lot of water there, but I'm just going to agitate everything once I get this going here. I'm going to get all this dust off as much as I can. You can see it's just piled in there. I'm gonna go grab a brush real quick and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. Tighten that up, pressurize it here a little bit. Just gonna spray and just not gonna go too crazy with it. It's just a lot of dust. Just gonna get just the main parts here. Keep this nice and clean while it's in storage. So I'm not doing an extreme OCD job on it. I just want to get, this is a friend's car, and they're out of town, and they store this pretty long term right now. So I just wanted to get a little bit on there, just show you how easy it is to just clean an engine bay. Nothing crazy. So as you can see, I didn't take much time, didn't use a lot of product. Now I'm going to rinse it off real quick. I'm not going to hose it down. I just want to do a quick rinse. And real light. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to take my air blower. Sorry for the noise. Just blow off that as much as you can. I'm going to start the car up, run it for about 5 minutes, dry it out, and then I'll show you the next step. So while the engine's drying, I'm rinsing it off real quick just to get all the major dust off it. But I wanted to show you the hydrophobic properties that are on this hood. And this has been in storage for almost 2 years now. Look at the hood here. And I just want to let you guys know that I used the polymer spray foam sealant on it before we stored it, and because it's not out in the elements, it had a car cover on it, it still got lasting protection on it. So just wanted to add that on there. So your polymer sealants, they do last. It all depends on the circumstance. The car is covered, it wasn't being washed, you know, every month, every 3 weeks, so it stays on there. And back for more engine detailing. So I'm just taking a little microfiber, just drying off any standing water before I treat it. But as you can see, it's pretty dry. Gets it really super clean. Doesn't take much to, you know, with that cleaner, it really takes that dust off of there. Then I'm going to hit it with a spray. So I'm using the Amplify Tire 1, or 1 tire I should say. I'll show you it right now. So this is what I've been using on my tires, all the rubber. It's just fantastic. You dilute it. I've got it diluted here in the bottle. So for engines, 1 part Amplify 1 tire, 1 to 3 parts water. So it all depends on how shiny you want to get it. So I'm just going to take this. This is my go-to right here. So this plastic here, that fades like crazy, especially in Arizona. So I'm gonna soak that, really let it get in there. So all I'm doing is just any plastic parts I see, especially your hoses, this is going to help keep it soft, keep it protected from the heat. Not going to do a lot there. I'm going to get that, keep those hoses nice. I'm gonna let that soak in, let it run for a little bit more. I just put a new battery in it, so I want to let it charge up a little bit before I run it over to the storage. But I'll just go through and I'll let this wait about 10 minutes. We'll come back, I'll wipe any excess off of this, and I'll show you what kind of shine it is. Just not even a 10-minute process to rinse off that engine, make it look shiny. Alright everybody, here's after. So as you can see, the engine bay looks super clean. It's not 100%. Like I said, this is just a 10-minute quick job. Wanted to show you how easy it is just to use the right product. Quick rinse, air blow it off, dry it, run it and dry it. Make sure all your electrical, that's why I use a blower. Make sure I don't get anything super wet or, disrupt any electrical issues there. But quick spray and looks nice, looks super clean. Any questions, any how-tos, what I use on products, shoot me an email at detailingin tempe@gmail.com. If I don't know the answer, I'm definitely going to seek out my my super ADA trainers and my experts at Superior Image. So any of the products that I showed you today, you can get at superiorimage.pro. And I believe superiorimage.com is coming soon. So look forward to reviewing that in the future. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.